Welcome back to Tech Subway. My name is Pulkit.
And my name is Namita. We've made a list of gadgets that you could gift your brothers and sisters on this Rakshabandhan.
So let's get started.
So first gadget on our list is Noise Loop. Now this is an affordable smartwatch and it comes with a circular dial with full HD IPS display and screen size of 1.3 inch. It is compatible with both iOS and Android devices and it ranges up to 3 meters. Now with this, you can easily make or receive calls, you can check your call logs, your messages, you can use calculator, set alarms, and you can also receive notification from WhatsApp, Facebook, and it maintains a healthy lifestyle with features such as heart rate monitor, ECG, health index, pedometer, sedentary reminder, sleep monitoring. And also you can control calendar, music, sound recordings, remote camera and mobile phone tracker as well. You can get this from Amazon India or GoNoise website as well for rupees 4,999 rupees. If your brother is younger, you can go for our next product, which is Super Toy Drone with USB charger and RC. It's got a flying range of 40 meters. It just takes 30 minutes to fully charge and can fly for 8 to 10 minutes. It weighs only 297 grams, but it doesn't come with a camera and you can buy this from Amazon for 2,899 rupees. Also guys, if your budget is a little high, you can go for expensive drones that comes with built-in camera that you can get it on Amazon as well. With that, let's move to the next product of our list. Now if your brother is a mobile game lover, then we've got a perfect gift for him. A new wireless Bluetooth 4.0 Gamepad controller. It's made for smartphones or tablet and it supports playing games on Bluetooth enabled devices of Android or iOS and Windows 7, 8 or 10. It's got the support turbo acceleration function, making it stronger and faster when playing games. It is designed with telescopic phone stand that supports to hold the phone up to 6.2 inches and it's got a battery capacity of 300 mAh. For more details, you could go to our link that we provide you in the description and you can get this from Banggood for 2,710 rupees. Guys, if your budget is a little low, we've got a great idea for you. You could get these really amazing back covers and make it customized with your pictures as well. That sounds perfect for a gift. There are various sites where you can get these. Some of them are bavecoop.com, Macmorize, Daily Objects, etc. You can get these from 300 to 1,000 bucks. Now the last product on our list is Thin Book from RDP. The Thin Book 1130 EC1 is an ultra lightweight portable laptop with impressive specs that keep up to the demanding needs of the PC. It is powered by Intel Quad-Core 1.92 GHz processor, IPS display which produces accurate colors and wide angles for viewing pleasure. It is equipped with Windows 10, with core features that include Cortana and Microsoft Edge and smart gestures. It has the supreme battery backup of up to 10.5 hours. It's got additional microphone above the chiclet keyboard, which include VGA camera at the front top for video calling or a meeting. You can get this easily on Amazon India for 10,590 to 12,990 rupees, varying on the storage capacity. Also, if your brother is a music lover, you can go for Noise Fizz. We have recently given a review about the same, and if you want to know about it in detail, you can click on the card appearing on the right side of your screen.
Now, like Namita, even I've got my list of gadgets which you can gift your sister on this occasion. And the first gadget on my list is Rocketbook. Now, it looks like a simple notebook, but in real, it is a reusable smart notebook which comes with a traditional pen and a paper notebook, and can easily blast your notes into Google Drive, Dropbox, Evernote, Box, Slack, iCloud and emails. It comes with 36 reusable pages which can be easily wiped. The best part is, you just don't help the nature by using this notebook, but also you get to have your notes forever with yourself. And you can buy this from Amazon at 3,300 bucks. Now let's move to the second product of the list, Blink Go Smart Band. Now as you can see, the smart band not only looks like a fitness tracker, but also looks like a fashionable accessory. And it will go with any attire of your sister. Now it comes with features like heart rate sensor, sleep tracker, activity tracker, and it also gives you notifications and alerts from your smartphone. You can set your alarms, timers, and you can also track your smartphone with this smart band. And it will only cost you 2,099 Indian rupees. And you can buy this from Mantra. Now the next product on the list is Cigarette Box Stun Gun from Luxe Mart. Now we all know what a stun gun can do and when it should be used. Now I really feel it is a great gadget for any girl. And as a brother, it might not look the most fancy gift for her, but it will be one of the best things you can gift her for her safety. And you can buy this from Flipkart at 1,500 bucks. Now the next product on our list is Xiaomi Redmi Y2. Now if your sister is a selfie lover and if she is looking to buy a new smartphone, then you can really think of this smartphone from Xiaomi. Now it comes with 16 megapixel AI selfie camera with LED selfie light in the front and has got 12 plus 5 megapixel dual camera at the back. It has also got 5.99 HD screen with 18:9 ratio, which is powered by Snapdragon 625, 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB of internal storage. And it will only cost you 9,999 Indian rupees. And you can buy this from me.com or Amazon India. Now the last product on our list is this amazing looking pendant from Leaf Safer. Now this is not just an accessory for your sister, but it is a smart pendant and it could be used in case of any emergencies. To use this, you just need to download the app from your smartphone and add the Guardian list. You just need to double press the button on back side of the pendant and it will send an SOS alert to all your guardians with your current location. You can also use the Safer app to locate the nearest hospital and police stations across the globe. And you can buy this from Amazon India at 2000 bucks. So guys, this was it from our today's video. Do let us know what you feel about this video in the comment section below. We are also leaving the link in the description tab in case you want to buy these. Happy Rakshabandhan. Bye for now.
So what are you gifting me this year?
Nothing.